Same thing here, right? At the open, it popped. You were like, yay, I'm getting in, right? It's somewhere on this candle. And then it pulls back and you're like, come on, man. Then you get in a put and you're like, yay, this is awesome. Nothing. You get in here, flat, right? You're like, damn it, it just keeps bouncing around. Now you would have made a tiny bit here, but who cares? But this one, that's the meal ticket, right? So sometimes you could have possibly, I mean, if you were trading this whole thing, one, two, three, possibly four. That one looks the same. Five. This one could have been six trades on a 2-minute EWO, right? And again, then, so this is what we like to do. Now, this is off the 2-minute EWO, obviously. But again, I just need you guys to know, like, some of you are like, damn it, every time I get in and it just goes against me. Well, go in it again, and then again, and then again, and then again, and then again, until it does what it's supposed to do, right? Now, if we break this down into the 2-minute, this is also going to help either give you strength or weakness inside of your trade. That was the trend. Then it did this. Then you know, there's no trend in here. It's flat. Then you would have drew a trend line and you would have went, this is garbage, right? And then, like, is that a trend line? Is that your trend line? Right? If you're looking at overall trends, you see it going down. So if we start to look at trend lines to go with all of our other strategies, now look at this trend line for strength, okay? So even if you started it here like this, look at that trend line. Is that bullish or bearish? So that's nice. And then you got another one right here. Bang, right? And then you got another one right here. But as this is going, you're like, holy crap. But do you see how all of this is starting to work in your favor? And then as you're drawing out your bigger line, you know, time frame, it looks like this, right? When we get into here. So this thing, there we go. Right? It just keeps up, 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 never touching back down to VWAP. It never comes back to VWAP, right?